Lights are twinkling, snow is falling fast. My cat's purring, Christmas here at last. Brady family smiles so wide and bright on this festive, merry movie night. Popcorn popping, cookies in a jar. Christmas tales, they feel like home so far. Cats in my lap, cozy, warm and snug. Underneath the blanket we both hug. Watching a very Brady Christmas with my cat. Season's magic fills the room, and that is that. Laughs and cuddles on this holiday spree. Can't imagine a better place to be. The tree is sparkling, gifts are all wrapped tight. Hot cocoa steam dancing in the light. My cat's eyes gleam like ornaments so fine. In this moment all the stars align. Carols singing from the old TV. Whiskers twitching, cat agrees with me. Every scene a joy, a festive breeze, with my feline friend beside me at ease. Memories are made in moments like these, bonding with my pet beneath the Christmas trees. Joy is finding beauty in the simple things. Holiday delight, that's what love brings.